everyone. It's Jason Velasco, and I'm really glad to have the opportunity just to be here in the Kripalu area. And this type of retreat was so important to me, especially going into Las Vegas WSOP in a couple weeks, simply because I needed a little bit of a retreat back into myself, and I need a little bit of time and space and opportunity to be able to kind of pull back from all the things that we've been working on. We've been working on a new product. We've been working on developing our community in and out of the poker world. We've been doing coaching. We've been doing so many different things, and it's so hard to keep up with all of that. And knowing that I have to go in and try to compete at the highest levels very soon and compete the way that I want to be able to compete was something that I needed to take this little break for and reset my brain. By doing the yoga, by doing the mindset, by doing meditation work, all of that things are really helping me get ready for the onslaught of the summer in Las Vegas playing the WSOP. So just again, have a lot of gratitude for this opportunity. Had a really cool posture course earlier today where we were talking about forward, folding, which is really doing a lot of those stretches that are helpful for me off the table so that I can stay focused and comfortable at the table. But anyways, thank everyone for the time and the journey, and I'll continue to share as much as I can, being respectful of the people's lack of technology here. So I wish I could have some of these classes with you, but they're really cool. But I'm happy to talk about them as if you have any questions around them. All right, everyone. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Hey, everyone. I'm having such a great time. So we're still at our first day at Kripalu, first full day. And we had, as I mentioned before, we had a great morning of meditation and exercise. And then we took a posture class. So, I don't know about you guys, but I was thinking about a lot of this when I was taking the class, because I was thinking about it from a poker context, which is, our posture is horrible. We're slouching, we're bending our knees in weird positions, we're moving around, we're sedentary, and that's a problem as a poker player. And so one of the things we learned today, we were talking about forward folding postures, which is where, you're taking, you're bending, and it's like the downward dog, and anywhere you're moving your pelvis forward, which is tightening up your abs, your core, but also stretching out your hamstrings, your legs, your glutes, and your lower back muscles. And that is so important. I know I've tried to make sure that I've at least get up and stand during games and things like that, but posture is really, really important. I'm glad that I had this class here at Kripalu about posture, and I'll actually put the name of the person who taught the class in there. It's really cool, and what a really wonderful experience it is being here. We're looking forward to our amazing lunch, and yeah, it's been a wonderful time. And I just have so much gratitude to have the opportunity to be here, and just overall, and I'll keep going through these throughout the day, but overall, I tell you, man, I'm feeling a lot more positive around getting ready to play in a few weeks. I've been contemplating the best ways to stay mindful during a hand as well as in between hands. And that has been such a game changer for me, and I'm looking forward to really putting that to the test. Kind of taking the cacophony of noises in your brain as you're thinking through everything of your day, as you bring it to the table. What am I going to be how do I let that go? And those are some of the exercises that I'm working on right now that I plan on bringing to the table. So watch out, Vegas, because here I come. Anyways, thank you, everyone. We'll keep you posted as we go through the vlogs. We've got some hiking to do. We've got another couple posture classes. I'm going to be doing a presence class a little bit later, which is going to be really cool, of how to stay present, which I think is extremely important when it comes to poker. And I think we have one more posture class about standing components. So yeah, we'll share that with you guys as we go through it, and I'll kind of potentially work through some courses or some of the materials with you if I get a chance to be private. Again, we'll probably be respectful of these folks here because they don't like to have technology, so I snuck into one of the quiet rooms to record this for you, but I'll try to grab things as we go through the day as well. So right now, Tara's doing a dance yoga class. It looks like a lot of fun. I kind of feel bad that I didn't take it now, but if you love dancing and you love yoga, I guess you probably should have done it. So all right, thanks everyone, and talk to you soon.